Now, as you watch this video, I want to tell you exactly how you can make your first $500 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing. You see, most people, when they're running ads, they don't understand that traffic, it's all about intent, buyer's intent. You need clicks, yes, but most people confuse clicks with only curiosity clicks. What is that? It means that people only click because they're interested to see what's on the other side, but they don't have a buyer's intent. They don't want to buy the product, weight loss supplement, whatever you are promoting on Clickbank, okay? So the main point is of this video to explain you exactly what's the most important thing, which is buyer's intent. If you run Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and Google ads, I run Facebook ads and Google ads, the most important thing is buyer's intent, right? So looking for the people who are there to buy, not only to watch the video, VSL, your landing page, they are there to buy the product, okay? So landing page have to have the right language pattern. For female or male is different language. It's not the same, and not many gurus in courses are selling you bullshit about how you can copy and paste templates. No, you cannot. For females and males is different language patterns. And then the next thing you have to understand is you need to have the right ad copy, so people skim through the eyes, right? On Facebook, they just read it through subconsciously. So you have to be the right sentences, not too long, not too short. And also call to action have to be the right one. I'm not using the word learn, because most people don't want to learn. So all these things are very important. Low emotional states, high emotional states, unaware audiences, product aware audiences. All this, it's important when you're running ads, okay? So if you want to know more how you can have affiliate lifestyle, how you can travel all around the world, and how you can really get to at least $10,000 to $30,000 per month, stress-free life, sustainable income, then let me know. Subscribe to YouTube channel, smash like button, comment, reach out to me on Instagram, Facebook, email, and also WhatsApp, okay? So let me know.